the clothes ready?
So I'm gonna do some cutting today. Not a barber. I have two brothers who are barbers though, so we're gonna wing it. So Jace decided he wanna go back to a Frohawk. That's what we're gonna do. I have a cool clipper. It's coordinating. I have all my pieces, my spray. Recently I lined him up. He was impressed, so much so he said I should give him his lower cut. So that's what we're gonna do today. Anyway, I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, Jace, are you sure about this? Where do I start? I know these were your lower ones. And it's color coded to help me out. So let's see. I think I'm going to start cutting it down first. How about that? Ooh, it feels so smooth. Time to line up.
Paint.
Wish me luck.
Mom, so many colors.
Yeah. I'm gonna use this.
so hot?
No.
So, Jace, what do you think?
Nice.
You approve?
It looks just like it used to.
I'll try it.
It's back to where it was.
Let's go.
Yo, Mom, you actually did it.
You approved? How did I
Yo, Mom,
You
this
did
is
great.
natural, no
do?
cap.
Let me see.
Yo, are you serious? Already cut all his brothers' hair
Oh
off.
my gosh, we did it. Not bad, right?
Not bad at all. Why need to be a hairstylist or something? He got his old hairstyle back after 6 years. Did you use any reference or anything?
No,
Are you serious?
I
You just did it on the spot?
I just wing it.
Oh my, alright, you may have some articulate eyes here then,
Really?
because I thought you used some type of
Come, Jace, sit down.
photo, some type of reference.
So, I'm just trying to get.
Hey yo.
Oh, you're in the shot.
You'll be a personal barber.
Love it.
Mom, Jason's hair is so shiny.
It is. You like it?